Whoa! What happened to your windshield?
Don't even ask. Drove through a fresh chip and seal zone yesterday. Crack! Right to the glass.
Oh, man. Well, hey, good timing, though. Glass Doctor of Indiana is running a 25% off stone chip repair special for the chip and seal season. Hey, wait, didn't you have Glass Doctor of Indiana replace your windshield a couple of months back?
No, I went with someone else who was recommended when I filed my claim.
Oh, no. Your windshield, your choice. You should have requested the Glass Doctor of Indiana. You would have received their exclusive Glass Doctor Windshield Protection Plan. It's a warranty against road hazard breakage, unlimited stone chip repair, and one replacement for 1 year.
So you're telling me Glass Doctor of Indiana would be repairing my stone chip for free if I had them do the replacement?
Yes, absolutely. But after looking at that chip, you're going to need a replacement.
The Windshield Protection Plan is exclusive to Glass Doctor. Unlimited repairs and one replacement for 1 year. No hidden fees or deductibles. ADAS calibration included.